AirPods receive firmware updates to improve performance, add new features, fix bugs, and enhance compatibility with your Apple devices. Keeping your AirPods up to date ensures you're getting the best possible audio experience and taking advantage of the latest enhancements, such as improved noise cancellation or battery life. Firmware is the software embedded in your AirPods that controls everything from Bluetooth connectivity to audio processing. Updates are delivered over the air, OTA, through a paired iOS device, iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. Your AirPods don't directly connect to the internet. They rely on your iOS device to download and transfer the update. This process is generally automatic but can be checked manually. To successfully update your AirPods firmware, you'll need several key components. Let's go through each requirement step by step. First, you'll need compatible AirPods. Practically all models are supported, except the original first generation. Second, you'll need an iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch running iOS 17 or later. For the most advanced features, use iOS 18. Third, ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. While cellular data can work, it's slower. Fourth, keep your AirPods securely in their charging case during the update process. Finally, ensure at least 50% battery charge on both the AirPods and the case. Also, keep your AirPods within Bluetooth range of your iOS device. First, make sure your AirPods are connected to your iPhone or iPad. This step ensures the device can communicate with your AirPods to check the firmware version. Next, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. You'll find this gear-shaped icon on your home screen, typically in a folder or on the dock. Now scroll down in Settings and tap on General, then select About. This section contains detailed information about your device and connected accessories. Scroll down in the About section until you find your AirPods listed by name. Tap on it to access specific details about your AirPods. You'll now see details about your AirPods, including the firmware version. This version number indicates the current software running on your AirPods. Finally, compare this version to the latest available firmware. Visit Apple's support website to see current releases like 6A300 or higher for AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Typically, AirPods firmware updates install automatically in the background. To ensure this happens, keep your AirPods in their case, connected to power, and within Bluetooth range of your iPhone or iPad connected to Wi-Fi. Updates often install overnight while you're not using them. Just ensure they are charging and nearby your iOS device. While there's no direct update button for AirPods firmware, you can encourage an update by following specific steps to ensure the conditions are right for the update to occur. First, make sure your AirPods are actively connected to your iPhone. This ensures the connection is established and ready for the update process. Then, play some audio through your AirPods to activate the connection. This helps ensure the AirPods are in use and communicating with your iPhone. Next, place your AirPods back in the charging case, connected to power. The case needs to be powered to support the update process. Keep the case open and within Bluetooth range of your connected iPhone. This allows the update to download and install over the wireless connection. After some time, check the firmware version in Settings to see if it updated. This will confirm whether the manual steps successfully triggered the update. If your AirPods firmware update seems stuck, the first troubleshooting step is to restart your iPhone or iPad. This can resolve temporary software glitches that might be interfering with the update process. Second, ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. Firmware updates require a reliable internet connection to download from Apple's servers. If your Wi-Fi is weak or unstable, the update may fail or get stuck. Third, reset your AirPods. To do this, open the case, then press and hold the setup button on the back of the case until the status light flashes amber, then white. This performs a factory reset and can resolve connectivity issues preventing the update. Fourth, ensure your AirPods and charging case have sufficient battery charge. Updates require at least 50% charge to complete successfully, so low battery levels can interrupt the process. Finally, make sure your iOS device is running the latest version of iOS. Firmware updates often require compatible software versions, and an outdated iOS can prevent the update from proceeding. Looking ahead, future AirPods firmware updates will focus on 3 key areas. First, AI-enhanced audio features like adaptive noise cancellation that learns from your environment, and personalized spatial audio that adjusts to your unique hearing preferences. Second, health and wellness integration, including ear temperature monitoring to track your well-being through Apple's Health app. Third, power optimization to extend battery life and reduce energy consumption for more sustainable use. Experts predict more frequent firmware releases, about 4 to 6 times each year, leveraging Apple's neural engine for advanced on-device AI processing that works even without an internet connection. These advancements will keep your AirPods performing at their best for years to come, enhancing both functionality and user experience.